Hi everyone, in today's Daily English Insight, I will share some tips with you on how to tell someone your phone number or your zip code. So usually when we tell someone our phone number or zip code, we say the numbers. For example, like 202-756-7787. But the better way of saying some numbers are like this. If there are two same numbers together in your phone number, like 77, you can say double seven. You don't have to say 77. The better way to say it is double seven. If there are three same number in your phone number or in your zip code, you can say triple. So 777 or 222 or 333. Or if there are four numbers, what you can say is, like, if there are four same numbers, like 5555, you can say 5555. I hope this helps your English in telling others your phone number or your zip code. See you tomorrow.